Hello students, in this video we are going to study the remaining questions of exercise 11.1. In that, first question is, Radha is drawing a dot rangoli. She has 8 dots in a row. How many dots will her rangoli have for r rows? How many dots are there if there are 8 rows and if there are 10 rows? Here see students, some given things are there. Number of dots in each row is given 8 dots, but number of rows is not given. Then if number of rows, if we consider as r, then what will be the number of dots? Therefore number of dots is equal to 8r, because in each row 8 dots are there. Therefore number of rows we will consider as r. And as well as these questions also, they have asked in this that how many dots are there if there are 8 rows. If there are 8 rows, then instead of r here 8 will come. Therefore when there are 8 rows, then number of dots will be 8 multiplied by 8, that is 64 dots will be there. As well as one more question is there, if there are 10 rows, then what will be the number of dots? When there are 10 rows, then number of dots will be 8 multiplied by r is what? 10. Therefore 8 tens are 80 dots will be there. I hope you understood this question. See one more question here. Leela is Radha's younger sister. Leela is 4 years younger than Radha. Can you write Leela's age in terms of Radha's age? Take Radha's age to be x years. Now here it is given that Leela is Radha's younger sister and Leela is 4 years younger. Therefore here Radha's age we don't know. Therefore Radha's age we will consider as x years. If Radha's age is x years, then Leela's age will be x minus 4 years. As we know that Leela is 4 years younger than Radha. Therefore 4 years will subtract from Radha's age. Therefore x minus 4 years is the age of Leela in terms of Radha's age. See one more question here. Mother has made laddus. She gives some laddus to guests and family members. Still 5 laddus remain. If the number of laddus mother gave away is L, how many laddus did she make? Now here total how many laddus are there, that we don't know. Okay, laddus given to guests and family members, it is given that what? If the number of laddus mother gave away is L. Okay, therefore number of laddus gave away is equal to L. And after giving laddus, how many laddus still remaining? Still 5 laddus remain. Therefore number of laddus remaining is 5. Total laddus given L and laddus remaining 5. Therefore total number of laddus is equal to L plus 5. Laddus given away and plus remaining laddus. L plus 5 will be the answer. Therefore total number of laddus is L plus 5. Next question is, oranges are to be transferred from larger boxes into smaller boxes. When a large box is empty, the oranges from it fill 2 smaller boxes and still 10 oranges remain outside. If the number of oranges in a small box are taken to be x, what is the number of oranges in the larger box? Now here what are the given things? Suppose we are going to transfer oranges from larger box to smaller boxes. That time, here see, when a large box is empty, the oranges from it fill 2 smaller boxes and still 10 oranges remain outside. So given things, number of oranges in one box will consider as x. Here see, if the number of oranges in a small box are taken to be x, okay, number of oranges in one box is equal to x. Therefore number of boxes, 2 boxes, yes or no? Therefore total number of oranges in boxes is equal to 2x. As well as remaining oranges also given 10. Therefore the number of oranges is equal to 2x plus 10. This is the total number of oranges in a larger box. That only it is asked here. Yes or no? What is the number of oranges in the larger box? Yes or no? 2 boxes are getting filled, as well as here 10 oranges are remaining. Therefore 2x plus 10 will be the number of oranges. Next question is, look at the following mastic pattern of squares. The squares are not separate here. 2 neighboring squares have a common mastic. Observe the patterns and find the rule that gives the number of mastics in terms of the number of squares. Now hint is given here. If you remove the vertical stick at the end, you will get a pattern of C here. Okay, now here students, in previous examples, in some patterns we have saw that in use pattern, in edge pattern, the 2 letters, or in L pattern, we saw that they were separated. Each and every letter was separated. But here see, this is the pattern of squares which are connected to each other. Means these 2 squares have one common line here. Right, here also we can see these 3 squares have some common sticks here, right? Therefore here little bit different pattern will get. See here, if you remove one from each, then they makes table of 3. Here see, suppose I remove this one stick here, what will happen? 3 mastics will remain. As well as here, if suppose I remove this 1, 2, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3 will remain. Right? Here if I remove 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 will remain. Correct? 1, 2, 3 will remain. So here we will get table of 3. See, 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4, 5, 6. 1 removed. Common stick we removed here. Here also this common will remove. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, then again 1, 2. Like that will patterns will get. Right. Therefore, so the required equation will be 3x plus 1. Why? Because we know that students, if we remove, what will remain? 1, 2, 3. 3x. Okay. Plus 1. Why? Because 3 here. X means what? Number of squares. 1 square is there. 3 ones are 3. Plus 1. 4. 4 mastics are there. Now here in place of x we are going to put here 2 as 2 squares are there. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 mastics. See here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yes or no? Now here 3 squares are there. So in place of x right here 3. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10 mastics will be there. Here you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. In the same way we can get number of mastics required for the given number of squares which are connected to each other with the help of some common mastics. I hope you understood this concept. Here x is the number of squares that you remember. Suppose like this 100 squares are connected to each other, then instead of x 100 will come, 100 3s are 300 plus 1 301 mastics will be required for that particular pattern. I hope you understood this concept. Thank you students and have a nice day.